Hey there guys, it's Kyle here. I'm making a video right now because um, I've been hearing all over the news is that here in Texas that there's a really big storm, and yeah, it's not the not the like the ones you're thinking, like just a thunderstorm, things like that. Hurricane. Yeah, hurricanes. Yeah. You know, with those hurricanes, like when there's like, there's spinning and things like that, but there's lots of water, floods, everything, lots of wind. Oh my God, man, I've been hearing that Corpus Christi is getting it pretty bad, Rockport, Texas is getting it pretty bad, and even Houston, Texas. Man. And wow, I hope everybody is gonna be safe. I hope y'all have found lots of things to survive the storm. And yeah, luckily my parents went to HEB yesterday and got a bunch of load of groceries and everything. Thank God, and I'm glad that we got everything covered. All right, and yeah, I'm gonna pray for my friends, my family, and everybody else, and I want them to be safe, especially my parents, my siblings, even myself, and my dogs. I love them all, even though we will be safe. Yeah, and I really do not like storms like this. Yeah. So, please, pray for your loved ones, and hopefully they'll be okay if they're getting the storm pretty bad. Yeah, because I'm definitely praying for everybody that is getting the storm pretty bad. Because it's, yeah, not a good thing. But praying is a good thing. So, yeah, well, subscribe to my channel, drop a like on this video if you guys enjoyed it, and stay safe. And yeah, I care about y'all, and I hope that y'all be okay when the storm is completely over. Alright, and subscribe, drop a like. See you guys next time on the next video, and stay tuned for the video about my whole model car collection once I'm done getting the last 2 cars I'm looking for. Alright, see you guys next time in the next video. Bye bye.